Hey everyone, here are 14 meals, 14 dishes you could enjoy in the Philippines. I just want to do a quick description of what it is. You Filipinos will know exactly what it is, and I'm sure you'll tell me if I've got it wrong. But for foreigners, they'd like to know exactly what it is when they go into a restaurant or if they go street food in. They just get an idea of what it is. Okay, let's go. Now, this isn't all of it, but this is 14 dishes that anyone can enjoy. You can get it anywhere in the Philippines. I'm sure I've missed a lot out, but I had to go somewhere. Here's 14 dishes. Okay, let's go into detail. First one, pancit. Everybody eats pancit in the Philippines. It's a noodles-based meal with pork or chicken and with stir-fried vegetables. It's really nice, very, very popular. Now, this one's not for the faint-hearted, really. This is a steamed duck egg that's fertilized egg, and it's been incubated for around about 20 days, and it's eaten raw. Now, this is one my wife makes for me. It's pasta-based soup with chicken or beef, made with vegetables and chicken broth and a little bit of evaporated milk. Really, really nice. Very, very cheap. Now, this one I really like. This is an empanada. It's a crusted, deep-fried parcel with a filling of vegetables and egg and maybe sausage. It's really delicious, very crispy. It's eaten hot, and you can find it on any street corner. It's really cool. Okay, the next one, it's called pandesal. It's bread, freshly cooked bread. It's a real favorite of the Filipinos, and it's usually eaten for breakfast with a coffee. Brilliant. Okay, time for a dessert. This is hello hello. This is a fruit-based, ice cream-based dessert. There's lots of different fruity flavors: jello, diced fruit, shaved ice, and ice cream. Very, very tasty. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to try and get this right. Adobo is a chicken, pork, marinated chicken or pork dish with ground pepper, garlic, soy sauce, and it's really nice with rice. Give it a try. Now, this one everybody loves. This is lechon, or to us foreigners, it's a roast pig. Best described, it's got crispy skin. It's open-aired, barbecued, roasted. It's usually celebrations like birthdays or Christmas or get-togethers, weddings, etc., etc. Delicious, absolutely gorgeous. I love it to bits. It's great. Okay, this one is called turon, and it's a banana wrapped in a crispy skin called lumpia, deep fried. Very sweet, very delicious, very popular. Okay, now this one's called sinigang, and it's a mixture. It's a soury taste soup with vegetables, and it could be made with fish or shrimps or beef, or pork, chicken, and it's very popular here. Very, very popular. Now this one, kare. It's another based soup in a peanut sauce, and it's usually made with oxtail and vegetables. Okay, here's sisig. It's made from pork jowl and ears, pork belly, and chicken liver, seasoned with onions, chili pepper, and lime or vinegar, and it's served on a sizzling hot plate. Pretty cool. So, that was just 14 dishes in the Philippines. Who said it's the same food? It's not true. There's lots of variation. lots and lots of variation. And so if you find yourself on the street food place on an evening or lunchtime and you see this stuff, at least you've got an idea of what it is. But you certainly wouldn't starve in the Philippines. You've got lots and lots of choice. So I'm sure by now all you Filipinos are screaming at the screen saying, no, no, you got it wrong. It's not that at all. Hey, I just tell it like I see it and what I've eaten myself. So I love this country. I love the food. And I'm just trying to help people from outside the Philippines just to understand what the food is. So, hey, don't beat me up. Here's one I forgot. We're walking in the park one day and a man is selling tofu. What about that? It's very nice, actually, when somebody brings it right to you. It's cool. This is the wife. We love eating out, dining out in the Philippines. Anyway, I hope you found it useful. It's been fun putting this together, and it's like the previous video I did. Street food is almost like a tradition in the Philippines. It's available everywhere, most any time, and there's lots of choice. But hey, if you're a bit of a coward, you've got McDonald's, Jollibee, KFC, la-di-la-di-la. But hey, why not experiment? Come and see what the Filipinos eat. It's pretty cool. Bye for now.